Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm standing in front of a KRX 4-seater ESSE model. Wanted to show you some of those must-haves for you guys heading to MOAB. You want to check it out? All right, so we've just sold this unit. Wanted to point out some great things about it. Starting on the front, it's got the sport front bumper. This model does come with the Warn winch. We have added the tow hook accessory from Kawasaki. And then as you look down on those A-arms, we've got the A-arm guard protection on there. These are from Kawasaki as well. I do love these. They've got a good look, good fit and finish to them, and hold up really well. We've also added the SSS off-road skid plate on there. This is the one that wraps up around the sides. You're definitely gonna want that if you're rocking it in MOAB. You wanna take a look at the bottom. Full protection all the way down the machine. It is UHMW, so it's gonna hold up extremely well. Highly, highly recommend that product. We've also got the cab seal kit from Kawasaki. PRP overhead bags. Kawasaki side mirrors. USA all glass windshield. Ryko street legal kit. Kawasaki rear window. I absolutely love this rear window. It has a huge field of view and it's actually molded to the design of the cage. It's very optically clear as well. And we've got the Kawasaki rear cargo box that functions as a tailgate as well. Works out really well. And we've got the rear bumper. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We've also got that rear trailing arm protection from Kawasaki as well. We do have these items available here at Big Pine Sports. Oh yeah, you can't forget Tusk bead locks and 35-inch Rockzillas. We do have Rockzillas in stock at Big Pine Sports. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love you to follow us and stay up to date on everything Big Pine. Have a great day, everybody. Keith, Beth, we know you are.